In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete files or folders in OneDrive quickly and safely. If your OneDrive is getting cluttered, or you simply want to remove old documents, photos, or folders you no longer need, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. And before we begin, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser. You can go directly to OneDrive and wait for the page to load. Once it opens, sign in with the Microsoft account that contains the files or folders you want to delete. If you're already signed in, OneDrive will take you straight to your files. Now that you're inside OneDrive, take a moment to locate the file or folder you want to remove. You can browse through your recent files, personal folders, or shared items until you find the correct one. It's always a good idea to double-check before deleting anything, especially if the file is important or shared with other people. When you find the item, click it once to select it. If you want to delete a folder, make sure you're selecting the folder itself and not just a file inside it. Once it's highlighted, look at the top of the page for the Delete option. Click Delete to move the item to the recycle bin. If you prefer, you can also right-click the file or folder and choose Delete from the menu. This is a handy alternative if you like using the right-click options instead of the toolbar at the top. Either way, the result is the same. OneDrive will remove the item from your main files and send it to the OneDrive recycle bin. If OneDrive asks you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and approve it. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletions, especially when you're removing folders or shared content. Once you confirm, the file or folder will disappear from your active OneDrive view. Now, here's an important thing to remember. Deleting a file or folder in OneDrive does not always mean it is gone forever right away. In most cases, it moves to the OneDrive recycle bin first. That means you usually still have a chance to restore it if you deleted the wrong item or changed your mind. To recover something later, you can open the recycle bin and restore it before it gets permanently removed. This is one of the reasons OneDrive is so useful, because it gives you a safety net for accidental deletions. If you're managing a lot of files, this process can help you keep your cloud storage organized, free up space, and remove old content you no longer need. Just remember to be careful with folders, because deleting a folder can also remove everything stored inside it. So let's review it one more time. Open OneDrive, sign in, find the file or folder, select it, click Delete, and confirm if prompted. That's all it takes to delete files or folders in OneDrive. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.